Hi, my name is Steve from Westland Camping Center, and I'm here on location at East to West Trailers to check out their new factory and their new line of trailers, the Della Terra. Come on, let's take a look. As a dealer, I appreciate that East to West has such a commitment to quality. As the trailers move down the line, each one is subjected to a continuous quality inspection. Each problem is marked and carefully noted so that by the time the trailer reaches the end of the line, everything is 100% ready to go. The model we're sitting in is a 29 K2S, which is about a 30-foot trailer with 2 slide outs. And right now specifically, I'm sitting in the dinette, which is unique to this price point because, for one thing, this table is a full 48 inches deep, where standard tables tend to stop at about 40 inches, which gives you a lot of extra room, especially when you're trying to sit a whole family around here, or you're trying to get your food on here and that sort of thing. And if you need to use it as extra sleeping, it makes it a lot more comfortable for whoever's going to be sitting with you. Another great thing about these Della Terra trailers, you've got a 30 to 40% larger window sitting here with the deluxe shades and valance here versus the standard mini blinds that get tangled up and that sort of thing. These are all standard on the Della Terra trailers. Now, the last thing about the dinette that I found so interesting was this drawer down here. Normally, you would just have a compartment door, but these drawers with the full extension and the metal drawer glides make the lost area under the benches a lot easier to get to. And because of the metal drawer glides, they can hold a lot more weight for pots and pans and that sort of thing. So I can see the kitchen is really important to you. Well, it's really important to Della Terra too. So a couple of things they've done to make your life easier while camping are they've gone ahead and upgraded the 6 cubic foot refrigerator to the full 8 cubic foot refrigerator, standard on all models across their line. They've also gone with the stainless steel package on everything to keep everything looking clean and shiny for years to come. Now, all the cabinets here are all straight hardwood cabinets. There's no sawdust board, any molded vinyl coverings you have to worry about for peeling or anything like that. These are all designed to give you a lot of use for a long time. The countertops here is wrapped, so all the edges are clean so that it has excellent water protection for spills and things like that. So the countertop's not going to get the warping or bending that you might see with other trailers. They've got a real deep under counter mount for easy cleaning, plus the upgraded hardware throughout. Again, this is all standard throughout the Della Terra line, so you're getting the higher end features for a much lower price. One of the cool parts about this Della Terra 29 K2S, you'll notice here on the back end where all the seating is, you've got USB ports on either side of the bed, plus outlets so you can charge or power anything you really need to while you're out on the road. Also, the couch here converts pretty easily to create extra sleeping when you need it. Every Della Terra trailer is equipped with a full shower surround, which is a big deal because normally you'd have just simple wallboard, and this is going to give you a lot more durable, easy to clean ownership experience, and there's less likelihood of any kind of leak or rot or any kind of problems which would shorten the life of your trailer. Also cool is this new nifty door. One of the cool things is this fireplace. Now what this does is it helps you and your family extend the camping season that much farther into the fall or that much earlier into the spring without having to use your furnace. What's nice is you can use it either just for the ambiance here when there's bad weather and you can't have a fire outside, or you can use it to heat to just kind of take the edge off. You'll also notice that Della Terra has partnered with some of the best in the industries. Things like better temperature tolerances, for TVs that are stored in RVs that have to withstand anywhere from 110 degrees to negative 30 degrees in the winter. Heavier duty circuit boards to withstand the perils of driving on the roads. Furion Mobile Electronics are experts at the RV market. Every Della Terra trailer is equipped standard with a full king-size bed with a real residential mattress. No 4-inch foam mattresses here. And you'll notice USB ports and charging stations at every bed to keep you charged and ready. A couple of standard features on the Della Terra are really hard to show. One of which is going to be the 15,000 BTU air conditioner versus the standard 13.5 you're going to find elsewhere. Another feature that's really hard to show is the fact that the entire floor is tongue and groove hardwood rather than paneling or an insulated floor like you would see in some to cut weight. Another thing that all of the Della Terra trailers have is a standard blackwater flush to make ease of ownership that much easier and prevent problems later on with your sewer. Because quite frankly, nothing ruins a vacation faster than sewer problems. The Blackwater flush system is standard on all the trailers, and basically it's a sprinkler head built into your black water tank, and what it does is it helps rinse out the tank between uses so that you can eliminate any kind of buildup and make your sensors work more properly for longer without getting all the crud and different things built up on them that would make you get false readings. A lot of times this is a popular add-on or something you have to order specifically with your higher-end trailers. It's standard across the board on all the Della Terras. Della Terra trailers are also equipped with a Dometic A&E power awning, which makes deploying your awning and bringing it back super convenient right from your monitor panel. The awning is also equipped with a strip of LED lights on the underside, so you get plenty of light under your awning in the evenings. Dometic awnings are one of the only awning companies that allow you to adjust it for rain drain while you're using it. Every Della Terra comes equipped with a power tongue jack, replacing the standard crank style jack you'll see on a lot of brands. When using a weight distribution hitch, you go up and down 4 times every time you hook or unhook the trailer, which makes a power tongue jack the most useful piece of camping equipment out there. This makes hooking up with a weight distribution hitch so much faster and easier, saving your shoulder so much work. Check out how windy it is under this trailer, which is why you're going to appreciate the fact that these are all enclosed underbellies, which will give you a much easier towing experience with the wind under the trailer. Also, it helps keep critters out. So this is Steve from Westland Camping, thanking you for watching and thanking you for taking a look at these east to west trailers with me. We're really super excited to be Detroit's first dealer for these Della Terras, and we have really exciting things coming, so stay tuned.